Hi, so nice to meet you, Julie. So
Hi.
excited that I get to ask you this question.
Wonderful. Terrific, Amy. What's up?
um, what would you say are steps to working with couples premaritally?
Okay. So, have you heard of our book, Eight Dates, Essential Conversations for a Lifetime of Love?
Yes.
Okay. So, one of the things I do, it depends on whether the couple has been living together, whether the couple, how long they've been together, so I'll usually give them at least the questionnaires,
Hmm.
the assessment, and maybe the whole thing,
Hmm.
an assessment, just to see how they're doing and kind of get a read for what might help them as they prepare for marriage. And I typically give them that book. I have them go through each chapter. We talk about the chapters, but also if there are problems that show up in the assessment, I will do therapy with them just like I would do therapy for a married couple. Because usually they've had some fights, they don't know how to deal with their fights, and they're in the honeymoon period right now, but you just wait, till you have kids, and then done, 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 terrible things will happen. Don't say that. And then, but I also ask them, again through the 8 Days book, I asked them how much have they shared about their future dreams, going deep. How much have they shared about spirituality? Um, how, if they plan on having kids, have they really talked about how they like to parent and what they follow in terms of beliefs about parenting, and so on. So I'll really help them to explore, both through the book and my own questions, all those deeper layers of what it means to be married, including how do you build trust? How do you build commitment? What are you most comfortable with in interpersonal, together time versus autonomy, and so on? How about work family balance? So, you address all of those questions. Um, and usually people are kind of excited and happy. Uh, and they may not have thought about this stuff yet. They may just be in love biochemically. And uh, so you help them explore, the real foundations of what a relationship can be.